What's up, What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Mel's Animal Channel. My name is Malachi Terry from Silver Diamond Farm. You're watching Mel's Animal Channel. As you can see down below on the title, you can read that. Yeah, today we're gonna feed the animals, my 6-month animal. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. We already got the rabbit bowls right here. We already got the rabbit bowls. So I'm gonna get these two and head over. Okay, we at the shed. I already got that thing out for the previous video that we did and messed up. So I get the rabbits one scoop of this. And another full scoop for Esther. Fluffy already got feed and fresh water in her pen, so yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the rabbits there stuff. Put it on top of there. As you can see, she wants her food. Hey, Esto. Put it right there. She munching on it. Okay, let's go to Cotton Ball. Cotton Ball, she's ready. I'll put it all the way back there for her. You see, she is a big rabbit. So we got to feed these guys, all of these, those, and Flight over here. So let's head right back on over to the shed. Y'all, it is gonna be a little hard to record, but we have one scoop of all stock feed. I don't normally give my chickens this because they eat pen pals, egg maker feed, whatever. Oh, let me get the hand off the camera. But yeah, yep. They go crazy for that. Alright, on to those little chicks. Alright, we at the chicks. You see, we got the rest of the little scoop. Aww, I hate when they do that. We're gonna put some right there for him. Let's go give King his little thing, because he get his thing as well, so we give him a little half of food, because King eats hate at night. Just King, put that in. Yeah, we give him a little bit, but and he had a ball in there, as y'all can see, he got a ball in there. And we had to shut that and let him eat a piece. And this bitch is dead. We'll feel his passion. Whoops, we forgot to feed Flight, y'all. We'll get him. Before the ending of the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.